set-offs or pickups after that?
Nope, this is strictly a transfer run.
This should be easy firing today.
Do you have any idea what's in store for the return run?
Nope, won't know about that till we get there.
There's our clearance to move out to the ready track.
You'll have all the steam you need.
Yeah, you always say that until we hit the grade. That's when you get that scoop going in blur motion until you look like you're ready to keel over.
Okay, quit jawing and get this engine moving. We'll be dead on the law before you get us over to the outbound.